It's like, did you realize, sir, that you were on candid camera and that there was a camera right there the whole time? Son of a bitch! Alright, go.
11 a.m. Yeah, it's on theater. I don't know what their website is. Yeah, just I'm sorry.
I know people want to kill them.
Work to do in my own office in 9 hours, and then when I don't fuck that up, everyone is amazing.
Dad left $40 on the table. Hope you don't mind that I borrowed it.
What, $40?
Yeah, he left a note. Oh, yes. Look, I'm leaving this money just in case. And you underline that. Just in case my flight is canceled. Peace out, Pops.
Gus?
Yes, sir.
So this is your line is.
Yes, it went well. I actually wasn't much of a producer because I was an extra, so. Bartending was good. We had a shit ton of food. Take a beer.
You were here till 4:30?
It was good. It went well. It was a little nerve-wracking, but it really went smoothly now that I think about it.
I left for the weekend. I knew what was happening.
You come home to a movie.
Well, I knew that was going to happen. That's why I left.
Thank you.
No problem.
Tyler, get your place for the food. We're gonna need to move.
Alright, moving to 10F. This is Tim stealing the TV. So, Raphael,
There's granola bars. Well, hold on, let's
Raphael, just step out.
We need to get the shot from behind.
It's gone, yo.
Everybody, they're looking at the bye-bye. They're looking into taking it out. So, let's see how they do it. Not be afraid of you. I know it's 1 a.m.
Why is it behind me? On my point of view?
Yeah. We don't have time.
Move your table back here.
Yeah, alright, let's do that. Yeah, okay, alright, awesome. Hey guys, scratch this. I'm sorry.
You'll slide it. Okay. Get your focus on it.
I'm ready. 12 Charlie, take 1.
Roll camera.
Speed.
Is there anybody else I should know about?
Nope. No one else.
Alright, so Gus, you need
12 Alpha. Going back to the previous shot. That. Alright. You two, get a little bit closer together. Move over here. Close together. No, okay, that's fine. You're gonna hold hands. Slid in. That could be a gay couple.
Stanley's not cool with that.
Yeah. Diaz, grips.
Yeah, you guys are waiting.
Diaz is working on beer for them. Just get something else.
What's up?
Hold on.
Do one more, have some fun with it.
I don't have time.
Well,
we have to get Tim seen, and we also have to punch in for like 2 medium shots. So, I mean, we have 15 minutes.
Did you like the shot?
Yeah.
He's offering fun.
I don't have time for fun.
Did you like the shot?
I liked the shot.
You liked it?
I
really?
loved it. It's
great. Moving on. Can I see the?
I have 10 minutes to get Tim seen on the TV.
You have until 7:30 in here.
7:30?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They mind fucked you.
Okay.
Wait, my dad said 7.
It's only 7:30.
It's because this entire shoot has been having such weird shoot schedules. Starting at 4:30 in the morning, and then the next day we'll shoot 3 in the afternoon.
Till 3 or 4 a.m.
And then today we'll start at 11. It's like, okay.
I'm done. About to do some shots later. Strip poker, huh?
Okay.
Strip poker?
Yeah.
Alright. With the fellas.
Alright.
Awesome.
That's like a bachelor party, boy.